all those companies contributing to our war effort to slow the spread, we say thank you.
I'm thrilled that we can serve them.
Essential businesses still serving the community as Governor Eric Holcomb orders all other Hoosiers to stay home. Tonight, we're meeting some of those essential workers contributing to Indiana's fight against the coronavirus. News 8's Julia Dang live at the State House for us. And Julia, how many people are exempt from the governor's stay-at-home order tonight?
Well, Phil, probably thousands. There are more than 20 categories in that executive order issued today that are defined as essential operations. They range from medicine and media to motels and laundromats.
If you're watching this at home, I'm grateful.
Hoosiers ordered to hunker down beginning Tuesday night at 11:59.
Today I signed an executive order.
With every passing day, state health officials say both the COVID-19 infection and death rates continue to climb.
Indiana, we need to do more.
But Governor Eric Holcomb's stay-at-home order doesn't apply to workers deemed essential by the government. They include, but aren't limited to, supermarket and pharmacy employees, gas station workers, Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers, and laundromat workers.
I was very thankful that we were going to get to stay open.
Laundromat owner Sheila Wolf opened Fashion Cleaners on North Meridian Street in 1990.
Main source of income for our family.
Before the governor issued his executive order Monday, Wolf
power.
wasn't sure her business would be deemed essential. But every worker exempt from the order is crucial to confronting coronavirus. Some in unexpected ways.
Doctors that come here have to wear lab coats. And so we do a significant number of lab coats. I'm thrilled that we can serve them.
Nearby nail salons, dine-in only restaurants, gyms, and movie theaters all ordered to shut down through April 6th.
Perfect.
Wolf urging community members to support them as her loyal customers try to help her generate more revenue.
They're going through their closets, pulling everything they can, bringing in household items. Hey, I need this bedspread cleaned, even though maybe they really don't. But, I mean, just doing kind things to support local businesses.
Now many of those customers ordered to stay home.
Back in the back.
Wolf refusing to lay off her staff, still creating work for them, including her son, Corey.
Corey's on the spectrum. And this has been his vocational training program.
I'm just helping with the customers.
For Corey, it's the normalcy of having this daily routine that's essential.
It's a blessing to have him here, and it's a blessing we can stay open, and his world doesn't have to shrink.
And in addition to those essential workers, the executive order does not apply to judges, law enforcement, dispatchers, and other government employees. In addition, the governor announced today licenses issued by the state of Indiana will automatically be extended by 60 days, meaning if you're driving around with expired tags, you will not be getting a citation. Live downtown, Julia Dang, Wish TV, News 8.
Good information, Julia. Thank you very much. And beginning Wednesday, Indiana State Police will work with local law enforcement, as Julia mentioned, to make sure that everyone complies with the stay-at-home order. So today we spoke with multiple agencies, and none of them could tell us exactly what kind of tickets people will face if they do not follow the directive. Police say they will first work to educate people before issuing tickets. They say if a situation requires enforcement in order to protect the public's safety, a citation would be issued. Well, today, Governor Eric Holcomb also announced that he's buckling down on bars and restaurants that have not closed their dining rooms.
Today I signed an executive order that instructs the ATC to suspend any and all food and beverage licenses for those who violate the order.
Now, the city of Indianapolis has only a handful of reports of restaurants not following that order. The governor has activated the National Guard to help during the coronavirus crisis. The agency has no role in enforcing these rules. The Guard's role is helping with logistics, such as delivering medical supplies. All right, I want to take a look at the latest coronavirus numbers, though, from the Indiana State Department of Health. State health officials say there are now 259 cases. That's up from 201 in yesterday's report. A total of 1,960 people have been tested. 7 Hoosiers have died from the virus. Meanwhile, Indianapolis Mayor Joe Hogsett upgraded Marion County's travel emergency to a warning level tonight. It's the highest level allowed under state law. It means no one should travel unless it's an emergency or essential. The mayor is also ordering all non-essential businesses to close as soon as possible and no later than 11:59 tomorrow night.